Hello everyone, today we wanted to talk about referrals, and this is the foundation of real estate lead generation, and we wanted to deep dive into that.
Now, many people will say this is the cheapest, but honestly it's not cheap to stay humanly connected. It's your time we're staying humanly connected. But either way, your previous clients, if you have previous clients, are going to be your best lead source. So stay in touch with them. I heard one client's sending lotto tickets on St. Patrick's Day. I heard another of agent is, showing up people's houses with Christmas gifts. So one of the best ways to stay in touch with your referrals is to stay in touch with your referrals. You've already helped them. They're your past clients. They already know you. They trust you. So we check in with them to make sure that we are staying in the family and friends list, because happy clients will talk about you in a happy way, and it builds your reputation.
Exactly. Therefore, I wanted to add also, when you help them to close on their house, definitely you need to be in touch with them. That's how you get referral, and really ask directly. Don't get shy to ask them for a referral. And the reason that we're saying referral, because this is like a stamp of approval on your portfolio, meaning the people...
But before we continue talking about that, I think we need to quickly do our introduction.
Okay.
Let's hit it.
Now, we wanted to say that people really that you help and you handholded them to end of the process from A to Z, they really trust you. Therefore, their recommendation to the friends, family members, all these, most likely they're gonna connect with you if you ask them for that referral, and then you can better help them. And this is, as my wife said, people say is no cost, but it's long-term relationship that you build up during so many years and so many transactions, and it costs you a lot of time. And we wanted to dive more into that.
No, we're not going to dive more into that now. What we're going to do is dive into other ways you can build your business with lead generation. But this is just really the beginning, because your referrals and your previous clients are always going to be something you have to keep top of mind, because it is something that's always going to bring you more than anything else you can possibly do, because it's also, you're out there into the world. So the other things you can do, we're just going to go add more toolboxes that you can try to think about in the future. One, Geo-Farming. So you focus on one neighborhood and you want to be that go-to in that one subdivision, that is going to help you in one way. What's another way people...
The next one that needs more work and time is really the workshop. Teaching classes, buying home, selling home, investing in real estate. This helps people to get educated, to learn more, and to get ready to do business with you.
Another thing we can think about is niche marketing, and having different types of niche marketing, like luxury homes, and you're the expert in luxury in that area, so we want to make sure that you're staying top of mind in that specific niche, whatever niche it might be. Maybe it is first-time home buyers.
One of the important social media, which is professional social media, is LinkedIn. Definitely you need to make sure that your profile is clean and neat. You always post, you have the articles, you have the videos for different places, and you can connect with people directly, because many of those people really want in professional level connect with you.
For an example with this, for LinkedIn, if you found a home in the MLS and it makes math sense that this should be something on someone's investment portfolio, and even if you don't have a client who's going to buy that specific home, and even if it's not your listing, you can talk about, hey, I spotted a deal in my MLS, is an article, and you break down the math, and you don't even have to give the address and be like, if you want the address, I'm happy to talk to you about that one. But by breaking down the math, you're showing your expertise in that area, and people on LinkedIn really care about that expertise. The other thing we're going to talk about is, of course, what we're doing, video. Video shows off to your clients who you are. It helps build trust, so they want to buy or invest with you.
Exactly. Therefore, short video, long video, you need to have a different
channels. We're going to talk more about that later.
We're going to check about that. The other one is blogging. Therefore, one of the things that we wanted to have in niche market is showing up on the Google, because Google and YouTube are the highest place that people can find you. And blogging, actually, that directly from your CRM, you can do it. For example, in EXP, we're doing it through KV Core. It helps you to put you in contact with many people that might not watch your video, but as a matter of fact that you're doing blogging, you can connect them with them because they can see the insight in all of your blogging.
Another way we're going to talk about with foundations work is, of course, networking events, attending local events, and sharing that you are a real estate agent, and sharing with them what you know and how you can help people in events is always a great thing.
Exactly. The other one that many people actually are very successful is expired listing. Contacting those homeowners that they couldn't sell their house even when they listed with the real estate agent, and show them that how you can help them with your niche marketing. That could be a game changer.
Another thing we're going to do is talk about social media ads, social media networks. Running ads on certain platforms like Facebook will teach you ways to stay in your area and stay top of mind.
Exactly. And the next thing is definitely open house, interactive open house, using the virtual tool, make the open house stand out. As my wife said, again, you can run ads again on through the Facebook or Instagram to bring more even people to your open house.
Now, also, we want to partner with local businesses whenever we can. This is going to bring you exposure, and you're going to stay top of mind with business owners, which are always, people with money is always a good people to stay in touch with.
Exactly. At the end, everything is about data. No? Therefore, looking at the pattern, find the people you might be ready to buy or sell before even they start looking is a good thing. That is how you can use your niche marketing, your social media, with the ads to deep dive into using data in your favor.
Now, I did say that this was a course on lead generation, and our next bunch of videos is going to be focusing on one specific one and going in a lot of detail about it. This was, again, the last of our overviews, but I wanted to kind of end with mentioning that we have to always stay healthy body, healthy mind, healthy spirit, because if you can stay positive, you can see that you can do, maybe you're not going to do all 30 things, but maybe you can do 10 of them, and you can do 10 of them amazingly well, and that is going to be what you need. So by staying positive and staying on track and saying, instead of saying I'm overwhelmed and walking away, instead of saying I can't do this, find what you can do, look at it and try to make it more manageable and say these are what I'm good at and this is what I can focus on. So by focusing on referrals and focusing on one or two of those extra ways we talked about, we're going to be closer to success.
And at the end, don't forget to look at our playlist. We'd love to connect with you. And my wife put effortlessly all her time to create this master course for you, and we'd love to connect with you and see you soon.